Types of antennas. There are 6 basic types of antennas designed for better intended transmission and reception, namely: types of antennas. Wire antenna, aperture antenna, microstrip antenna, array antenna, reflector antenna, lens antenna. Wire antenna. Wire antennas are widely and commonly used in automobiles, buildings, ships, aircraft, spacecraft, etc. Wire antennas have 3 configurations, types: dipole wire antenna or dipole antenna. Loop wire antenna or loop antenna, may be circular, mostly preferred because of its simple construction, rectangular, square, elliptical, etc. looped and so named based on their looping pattern. Helix or helical wire antenna or helical antenna. Aperture antenna. Aperture antennas are used for the utilization of higher frequencies. These antennas are very useful in aircrafts and spacecraft applications, because they can be very conveniently flush mounted on the aircraft or spacecraft. These antennas can be covered with dielectric material to protect them from hazardous conditions of the environment. Aperture antenna has 3 conjurations: pyramidal horn antenna, conical horn antenna, rectangular waveguide antenna. Microstrip/patch antenna. Microstrip antennas consist of a metallic patch on the grounded surface of the antenna. Thus they are also referred and known as patch antennas. Features/advantages of microstrip antennas. These antennas can be easily analyzed and can be inexpensively fabricated using modern printed circuit technology with ease. Easy attractive radiation characteristics, especially low cross-polarization radiation. Low profile and compatible to planar and non-planar surfaces. Mechanically robust when mounted on rigid surface and compatible with MMIC, monolithic microwave integrated circuit, design. Very versatile in terms of resonant frequency, polarization, pattern, and impedance. These antennas can be used/mounted on the surface of high-performance aircrafts, spacecrafts, satellites, missiles, cars, and even handheld mobile telephones. Based on the shape of patch-mounted, microstrip antennas are configured as rectangular microstrip antenna, circular microstrip antenna, array antenna. Array antenna is the combination of antennas, achieved by assembling or mounting several numbers of antennas on a continuous structure through electrical and geometrical arrangement to obtain desired radiation characteristics, i.e. to obtain the desired radiation output via antenna. The arrangement of antennas in an array antenna is such that the radiation from antennas adds up to give a radiation maximum in a particular direction or directions, minimum in other directions or otherwise as desired. Typically, based on the various types of antennas, array antennas may be configured as Yagi-UDA array antenna, using dipole antennas, aperture array antenna, microstrip array antenna, slotted waveguide array antenna. Reflector antenna. Reflector antennas are the antennas that are built with large dimensions, with diameters as large as 305 m, to achieve high gain which is required to transmit or receive signals after traveling millions of miles of distance. Thus they are also referred or known as traveling antennas. These antennas are configured as parabolic reflector antenna with front feed, parabolic reflector antenna with cascgrain feed, corner reflector antenna. Lens antenna. Lens antennas are made using appropriate material of lenses so as to transform various forms of divergent energy into plane waves. Lens antennas can be used in applications similar to reflector antennas, i.e. to transmit and receive signals after traveling millions of miles of distance. Typically, lens antennas may be configured based on the index of refraction or refraction index as convex plane lens antenna, convex lens antenna, convex concave lens antenna, concave plane lens antenna, concave lens antenna, concave convex lens antenna. Open YouTube. Search word Master Computer Informatic. Click on the word Master Computer Informatic channel, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon, then select all. Now you will be notified with all our latest video updates on YouTube.